Today I'm at my mom's garden and I have not been here in quite some time. It is unfortunately back to a weedy mess, and I'm here to clean it up and help her out. If you want to see when I first redid her garden, I'll leave a link to that video below. This side of the house isn't quite as bad, but there is quite a bit of weeds more at the top of this bed. This is the weediest area in her garden, and plants that I put in here are gone, so I did bring some other ones to replace them. And this Dusty Miller has survived several winters in her garden, which I'm completely shocked. It is an annual, and we're in 6B. So here is the finished garden. We mulched it with at least 2 inches of mulch. Even her rose stands out now, and everything looks just so beautiful. I did add a few heucheras in here. There are some nice little purple ones that have a little pink to them, and I think it looks just such a big difference. And on this side, everything is really showing up now. You can see all the plants individually with the nice backdrop of the mulch, which I absolutely love how that looks. So I brought over 3 of my heucheras to her garden. That spot had other plants, and I think they put snow there every year, so we'll see if the heucheras hold up. But everything's looking so much better, and I do need to bring some annuals maybe and fill it in next spring and be better about keeping up with her garden. So thanks for watching. Hit that like button. I'll see you next time. Bye.